Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Chiliz explicitly is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker CHZ that certainly has an especially present worth of $151,037 and a market capitalization of $1,342,465.41, which really is very huge. Digital currencies in every way that really matters have pretty lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in a, for the most part, significant manner. These days, it's a resource class that explicitly is considerably managed and surprisingly took on as legitimate delegate, or so they generally thought. Some kind of huge speculation banks even sort of obtained Chilliz and exceptionally other digital currencies all at once to truly safeguard their resources under administration arm against the jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors in a truly significant manner. Presently, now is the right time to fundamentally uncover our short, mid, and sort of long-haul expectation of the improvements on the CHZ market that especially depend on the readings of our essentially remarkable crypto unpredictability file that in a real sense assists us with checking the market feeling and by and large expect where in which the market means to go in an unobtrusive manner for the most part. At this point, the cost of Chiliz is $151,037, while the coin right now in a real sense ends up at 57th spot in the sort of generally speaking positioning in an unobtrusive manner. The expressed kind of positioning especially is assessed based on the resource's current value that in a real sense is duplicated by its truly current market capitalization, a recipe that, for the most part, is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients truly get the most significant information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios in an unobtrusive way. It's likewise essential to, for the most part, consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in an unpretentious manner. On walk 3, the cost of Chiliz in every practical sense was at $160.25 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change essentially added up to 164% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on February 26, CHZ generally was esteemed at $126.71, which sort of actually intends that from that point forward, the cost explicitly has especially vacillated by 0%, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. A month prior, on February 4, the market member laid out the cost of Chiliz at $120.40. Thusly, the coin has taken a 47.87% action to, in every way that really matters, arrive at its genuinely present standings. In a sort of significant manner, notwithstanding as currently made sense of, the cost of Chiliz isn't the main variable that we really consider while making the cost forecast in an unpretentious manner. It means a lot to keep a very sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to truly have an unmistakable perspective on where the market for the most part is going amazingly. The examination of market capitalization explicitly conveys exceptionally equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors in every practical sense large way. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology explicitly is utilized to in a real sense decide the by and large generally position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example. Changes in market capitalization extremely certain, or for the most part negative, are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both genuinely short and genuinely long-haul points of view in a sort of significant manner. This very specific essentially metric is likewise used to measure the predominance of Chiliz comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, which is very huge. To sort of decide the exceptionally current market capitalization of CHZ, we buy and large duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will especially be fundamentally made sense of later by the sort of present worth of the digital money under audit, which certainly is very critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chiliz most certainly remains at $1,342,465.41, which frames the reason for truly present truly positioning most certainly was referenced before in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday on Walk 3, CHZ, all things considered, had a market capitalization of $1,444,877,721, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Keep going week on February 26, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to essentially was recorded at $1,121,447,893, which is genuinely critical. A month prior, on February 4, the market worth of Chilliz truly was surveyed to be $907,852,576, or so they explicitly thought. Absolute stock considers the quantity of coins that have proactively been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, which sort of is genuinely huge. These digital currencies can be utilized either for pretty dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, so these days it's a resource class that in a real sense is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate, which is genuinely huge. This by and large measurement additionally calculates the coins that for the most part have been progressively transitioned away from through the interaction called consuming, which sort of is applied to control the expansion rate, showing that starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz explicitly remains at $1,342,465,041, which frames the reason for especially present certainly positioning generally was referenced before, which for the most part is genuinely critical. At this point, the complete stockpile of Chilliz certainly is laid out at 888 CHZ in a for the most part significant manner. Finally, the flowing stock by and large is utilized to, in every practical sense, work out the market capitalization and most certainly surveyed the coins essentially current remaining in the positions, which for the most part shows that digital currencies really have in every way that really matters, long past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists and obscure vendors, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. It means the truly by and large measure of CHZ that really is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that basically are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly basically put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, which most certainly is genuinely critical. It's by and large generally accepted that digital currencies that really have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million for the most part are the most appropriate for, in every practical sense, long-haul speculation, since they generally are without a doubt liable to, all things considered, appreciate in esteem over a lengthy time frame, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, or so they fundamentally thought. At this point, Chilliz really has a circling supply of 888,290,622 coins in an unobtrusive manner. Over the sort of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with CHZ arrived at the mark of 129,473,977, which by and large is very huge. Yesterday on Walk 3, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame most certainly remained at $119.20.